Hello everyone and welcome to another video and my messy desk. This is my holiday daily and I'm also going to use it to document my upcoming trip to Vietnam and Malaysia. And so I'm just packing my travel art kit and I just wanted you guys to come along for the ride. So I'm using this see-through case. It's from Marks and Spencer. You can just use, any kind of case that you have. But usually having something that you are filling up helps limit the weight when you're traveling and also the volume, because sometimes we do tend to get out of control when it comes to packing stuff that we think we will need. So I'm taking a watercolor palette and this is super light. I have a wooden one, but I'm not taking that this time. I just wanted something super duper light. Then I created some images that I've cut out that I wanted to use for journaling. So I am keeping those. And this time around, I am really trying to focus just more on, paper stuff that I can just cut out and use, because I don't want to have to take a lot of like bookbinding stuff or sewing stuff, or just I want to have more of a cut and paste situation going on. And you can always choose the kind of journaling that you want to do. And usually if I add just like a couple of pages of a watercolor palette and a few markers, that's usually enough to add another dimension to your journal. So you usually don't really need a lot of stuff. And I'm just trimming these down so that I can fit them. Perfect. So that goes on the bottom, and then I have my watercolor palette. And let's see, what else do I have that I want to put in here? So this is my art journal kit that I traveled with before. It had a heavy ceramic palette. It had a lot of pens, a lot of stickers. So I'm just trying to see how I can, minimize some of this stuff. So I think the stickers are fun, but because I have the cutouts that are already themed, I'm going to stay with those. I do want to take these tabs because I think the different cities, it'll be fun to like create dividers. Then I do want to take this one pack of ephemera. I am focusing on just using up stuff that I have. No more buying for me for a bit. And I'm saying that on my YouTube channel because I hope that I will stay true to my word then. So this is just stuff that I have, bought over the years. Nothing new is the mantra. And I will take a couple of maybe alphabet sheets, but I'm taking the ones that have like the smaller letters. And again, I mean, if this was me under any other circumstances, I would be, I'd say, oh, let's just take the whole thing. But no, you don't need the whole thing, and every little bit counts. So, especially when you're traveling with, like a weight restriction, and you want to make sure that you are not overpacking. So I'm taking some of these letters, again, some sticker sheets that are like half used that I think might be fun, especially these lanterns and things like that. Then there's a sheet of stars, and I've taken some pages from the daily that I'm using, some pages that I took out, because the December daily, holiday daily / travel journal that I have is actually a Daphne's diary that I've altered. So it's basically, it used to be a planner for 2024, but since 2024 is over and I got a good deal on this, I got it and I took out a lot of pages, as you can see from over here. But as you can see, the thickness is already adding up. So those are some of those pages if I need, journaling spots or something like that. And these I was also going to keep with me for journaling spots, but Well, maybe I will, because I do want to do some planning there. Okay, now for pens, I think I want to take a couple of my fine liners, one lettering pen, and this is a fine tip one. Let's see there. So I will take this. This is a medium brush pen. I will take this also. I'm staying away from colored pens mostly because I found that I don't use them all that much. This is also a brush pen, but I already have one, so I'm not going to pack extras. Just checking the weight on these. This is a 01, 01, and 05. That should be good. I shouldn't need anything else. Then I'll take this little tape. And I'm just checking what I had in this one that I previously traveled with. So I had a lot of little bits and pieces that I found there and that I also traveled with. So this looks fun, but I don't think I need all that. I will take this little piece because I think this is fun. I will take a few tiles in case I want to tangle there. And these are my own watercolor tiles that you can just print out. I'm going to do a nice, launch reveal for these in the new year. I think this is kind of fun. I will take these. These are also fun. I will take these. I will take this washi tape sample because I'm just taking this gold washi tape, no other. Maybe I'll put in this little skinny one also. And then if I'm taking my tiles, I do want to take, let me see, a couple of white pens and maybe the gold glitter pen. I think that is what I will go with. And then maybe the silver. That's it. I'm not going to keep adding because I am very capable of that. I'll add this blue tape as well. So that's it. I'm going to zip this up, put it where I cannot see it. I was contemplating taking some acrylic paint markers with me that are brush markers, but they don't like bleed through. So I mean, look at these beauties. I want to take all of them. Okay, I am not going to take all of them. I'm going to take the black. So this is how, I mean, you can basically take less stuff, right? You can pick a color palette that you know you might use for headings and lettering. So I'll definitely take the white, and I'll take the pink, and I mean, I guess this is as good a color palette as any, right? Yeah, the more I think about it, the more I will add to it. So that's it. I mean, you can just tell yourself that's it. And that should be it then. I am keeping some Post-its because I will be there for New Year's and I do want to do a little bit of planning. A little scissor will go in here. Okay, this stuff I am not taking. Just putting it to one side. These corners are fun. I think I'll just take them because sometimes what also happens is that I buy stuff and I don't use it because I put it away. So now when I buy stuff, I'm going to try to just, use it in a project right then and there. So I'm taking this little art glitter glue with me, and this one will come on the top. It already has a travel paintbrush inside it, and there you go. Not too bad. Also, I like to pick up a lot of stuff while I'm traveling, and I do journal with that stuff. So sometimes it's just, it's nice to take some basics, some staples, I mean, I have everything that I need right here. And I usually get my pictures printed from wherever I'm traveling to. But, carrying too much then becomes a burden. Also, I mean, this eliminates a lot of decisions for me. The kind of journaling that I can do, different materials. And I feel like sometimes while I'm traveling, it really helps me come up with new techniques and things also, because I'm kind of limited with the supplies that I have. I might come up with fun ways to use the Post-its. I mean, who knows? I might use them for matting because I feel like I need that. Something that I wouldn't have done, when I am not traveling. So that's, a fun little thing that I look forward to. I'm taking different watercolors this time. I'm taking fewer pens. And yeah, let's see what I find on holiday. So you can follow me on Instagram if you're not already following me. And you can come along with me, basically, to Vietnam and Malaysia. I will be taking a few classes there, so I'm very excited about that. And yeah, I will make a flip through video of this journal when I'm back. And till then, I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season and Happy New Year.